Welcome to an internal look at how a large language model truly functions. We're going beneath the surface to explore the architecture and data flow that powers these incredible systems. We begin with a high-level system view, defining the LLM not as magic, but as a sophisticated engineered system. Starting with a dark, calm background, the central term defining our subject appears: large language model. Next, the system diagram begins to assemble. Key architectural blocks and connections smoothly build themselves, establishing the structure of the LLM pipeline. The first step in processing is taking raw text input and preparing it for the LLM's complex mathematics. A user prompt enters the system and is immediately broken down into smaller, glowing data packets known as tokens. This is tokenization in action. These tokens then dissolve and transform into vectors, numerical representations that enter a vast grid-like embedding space. Inside this space, the vectors move and cluster, a subtle animation that represents semantic similarity, capturing the meaning of the words. We now enter the engine room, the transformer stack, the architecture that handles context and relationships between all the tokens. The core of the LLM is composed of multiple stacked rectangular blocks, each representing a, quote, transformer layer. The numerical vectors, representing the input text, flow sequentially upward through this stacked architecture, refining their contextual meaning at each stage. Inside the stack, dynamic glowing lines connect different tokens across layers. This is the visual representation of self-attention, dynamically sharing context across the entire input sequence. The final stage involves turning these highly contextualized numerical representations back into coherent, human-readable text. From the topmost transformer layer, the system calculates probabilities for the next possible word. These probabilities form visually, guiding the selection process. Based on these probabilities, a single token is selected. This token is then appended to the partially generated output sentence. This process is a continuous loop. The newly selected token is fed back into the system to predict the subsequent token, smoothly building the final response word by word. We have successfully traversed the inner workings of the large language model. Let's review the complete journey. The continuous loop concludes as the final output text, labeled generated response, appears, marking the completed flow from initial input to final structured output. Zooming out, we see the entire LLM pipeline connected end to end, a seamless and structured flow transforming raw text into meaningful output. The core insight remains. LLMs are powerful systems built on structure, probability, and advanced mathematics, not mystical intelligence. Thank you for watching. For deeper insights into AI, machine learning, and product breakdowns, follow AI Product Guy Master SDK Dinesh.